Hi everybody, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing of AKIA Bluetooth speaker with speakerphone. Yes, one thing that impressed me to purchase this product is the presentation. The presentation is spot on. As you see on top, on the side, the back view has all the specs, and side again. Now, one thing I love about it is that the presentation is well spot on. You get to see the product. This is one reason what made me purchase the product even more, because I see what I'm getting, and it has the specs where you could purchase the product. You can read it. You can go ahead and make your final decision, and you can go ahead and take it to the cash register. Yes. Now, with AKIA Bluetooth speaker with speakerphone, it has quality sound for wireless connection. It has Bluetooth wireless auto streaming, speakerphone with answering system, digital noise and echo cancellation for high clarity calls, excellent compatibility with most Bluetooth enabled devices, phones, tablets, music players, and laptops. 10mm transmission range for audio streaming, line and function, diffusion audio sound via Bluetooth. Okay, though they got different languages in Spanish and Creole as well too, so I read the English. This is one reason what made me purchase the product. And like I said, it connects to phones, music players, MP3 players, tablets, and laptops. Yes, and you cannot go wrong with it. So let's go ahead and open it up, and let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of it. What we get inside the box. And listen to good quality and clarity sound. Okay, unboxing. Box top, get that out of the way. What you get is the and put that to the side. Okay. So now what you get is the speaker itself. You get the speaker itself and the plug. Okay, here you have your pairing button here for answering and ending calls, which is great. So once you go ahead and you pair your phone until you are down the patio listening to music and you got a nice important phone call coming in, you can go ahead and answer and talk right through your Bluetooth speaker. Okay, here is your power button in the corner. Power button in the corner, your volumes up and down there. In the back, you have your auxiliary connection. So if you want to connect your Bluetooth, your MP3 player up to it, you could go ahead and connect that. Or a laptop that don't have Bluetooth, any old laptop that you like, you want to go ahead on and be the DJ at your own party or whatever you like. So you go ahead and connect your laptop through an auxiliary connection cable, audio cable, you're good to go. And here is the DC power. Okay, let's go ahead on and plug her in. Now I'm excited to purchase this. It's good to find some good quality Bluetooth speakers, because the main thing I like about it, it comes with its own plug. So you ain't got to worry about charging up nothing or anything. It comes with its own plug where you can just go ahead on and plug it in the wall and leave it plugged into the wall. You ain't got to worry about finding any rechargeable ports or rechargeable plug to recharge it back up to go ahead and keep the party lights, music lifespan going on and on and on and on. Okay, as you see, I plugged it in. You get a red light. Okay, let's turn it on. When she turned on, you hear that beep, you see the light blinking. Now I'm going to go ahead and pair it with my phone. And we'll be good to go. and we are connected. When you connected, you hear a beep beep. You hear that hot long beep beep sound. So I'm gonna go ahead on and play some music through the audio device here, and y'all go ahead and hear the clarity of sound. Now I am playing Sarah the Instrumentalist, find it in Carolina. That's a Epidemic Sound artist, so I'll be putting their link in the description below if y'all want to go ahead and subscribe to Epidemic Sound for great music for your podcast, doing streaming. If you want to go ahead and present audio products, you can go ahead and use their music. Once you go ahead and pay the $15.99 subscription, it's limited. You got limited to 1.5 million songs, so you can't be bored with using anything for your streaming needs. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit. Already you can just hear the nice good quality. Alright, you can't go wrong with that. Music from Sarah the Instrumentalist. You can just groove to this here. Sit on your patio and just chill, you know, and relax. Just like I said, nice, good quality sound. You could go ahead on and just sit on your patio, chill, or if you go ahead and you're taking it to parties, etc., do your family backyard barbecues, etc. This AKIA Bluetooth speaker, model number CE7200, is great. I would recommend this product to everybody looking for a great Bluetooth speaker without fumbling through charger cables, etc., to keep charging up your device, burning out the battery. With this here AKIA CE7200, you could go ahead on and keep the party going along until when you're ready to go ahead on and end it. You ain't gotta go ahead and fight through no plugs. It comes with its own power plug. Great quality sound. Just like I said, if you're out there by yourself on your patio and you got a phone call coming in from your wife, brothers, family members, or a friend, you could go ahead and answer it there without any echoing or any distortion in sound while you're making that conference call to whoever you like to, whoever you call in choice. I would recommend this product to like I said, to anybody looking for a good quality sound system. This sound system is the best. You can't go wrong with it, and it's at a good budget cost. So I'm gonna go ahead on and please put the affiliation link in the description below, so you can go ahead and purchase the product. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Hit the like button on the way if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.